wrapping it up. If we had to summarize our experience with the Sharp Aquos S2, we would say it was mostly positive. The things that stood out to us were the thin and light design that was quite compact by today's standards, the generally good performance, the simple and straightforward UI, good camera quality and great battery life. Sharp Aquos S2 review. At the same time, there were some things that stuck out as being not so great. Things like the plasticky back, the weird cutouts in the display and the shaky video quality were a bit of a downer, and we also missed having a headphone jack. However, none of these are deal breakers in particular. Priced at $2,499 yuan, $379, the Snapdragon 630 model is a tad bit on the expensive side compared to its Chinese rivals. As of now it is available in China, but it will be releasing in India in January next month at an undisclosed price. Assuming the price is right, we think the Sharp Aquos S2 has a fairly decent chance in the market and should be a good purchase overall.